Are you looking for more ebooks to read? Try clicking on online resources. Once you're there, find Brain Hive. Brain Hive is a collection of ebooks that you can use in the classroom or at home. Type in the name of your school, find it in the drop-down menu. Don't forget to type in the username and password. The fastest and easiest way to search for books on this platform is by typing in a range. I have typed in 0.1 through 0.9, and if there aren't any books showing up, that means they do not have books at that level. If we try typing in 1.0 through 1.9 and clicking go, you will see that now there are books within that range. Not all of these books are testing. You would have to check on Accelerated Reader to see if they are. When you find your book, click on it, and then click on the arrows to turn the pages. Not all of the tools work as they're supposed to, but you can highlight text. You can also erase that. If you find a particular word that you think you need to know, you can highlight them. You can even add a note. You can check to make sure that your notes have been saved. And you can check to see that the words you have highlighted have been saved. You can decrease or increase the size of the book. You can also turn pages using these arrows. This will take you all the way to the back of the book, and these double arrows will take you to the very first page of the book. If you want to know how high these books range, the highest range is from 5.0 through 5.9. Again, you will have to check to see if these books are testing. And the tools should work on these books as well. The other way you can see all the books is to click on all, and go. All fiction books will show up in alphabetical order. All nonfiction books will also show up in alphabetical order. You can try searching using some of the other buttons they have available, but they do not always work. So if you're looking for more ebooks to read, don't forget to go to Brain Hive and log in.